Hi there. I'm so glad you're joining us for this explainer today. We're going to be diving into something incredibly important. Now, it's a topic a lot of folks feel a little embarrassed to talk about, but hey, you are in a safe space right now, and we're going to look at the real biological facts together. Today, we're looking at a surprising, natural root cause solution to a super common men's health issue, erectile dysfunction. What if I told you the absolute key to reclaiming your vascular vitality might literally be sitting in your refrigerator right now? Seriously. Most people don't realize the real answers actually lie in our daily nutrition, not just the pharmacy. What we're about to cover might completely change how you view your body's plumbing. So get comfortable, and if you love learning how to optimize your health naturally, go ahead and hit that subscribe button real quick. Okay, let's get into it.
40%. That is the number of men who experience erectile dysfunction at some point in their lives. Just take a second to let that sink in. 40%. If you're dealing with this, or maybe your partner is, please know you are absolutely not alone. There is no reason for stigma, no shame, and definitely no embarrassment here. It's incredibly common, especially as we get a little older. But here's the really frustrating part. Usually, you go to the doctor, they hand you a prescription for a pill, and if it works, you think, awesome, this will get me by for a year or two. And if it doesn't, a lot of men just resign themselves to thinking, well, I guess I'm just getting older, this is my life now. But honestly, that is a massive misconception.
But do you know the real reason why this happens in the first place? It's wild, because so many people completely misunderstand this. We constantly treat the symptom without ever stopping to ask what is actually breaking down inside the body. Relying entirely on a temporary pharmaceutical fix, well, it's basically like putting a bucket under a leaky roof without ever actually fixing the hole in the ceiling. The real reason behind this dysfunction might actually surprise you. And to truly fix it, we have to look much deeper into our biology.
Section 1. The hidden root cause, moving beyond temporary fixes.
So we're going to uncover the medical mystery of what's really happening beneath the surface here. Stay with me because this next bit is absolutely crucial for your long-term vitality. Think about temporary fixes. That's when you're relying entirely on a synthetic pill to force a chemical reaction in your body just for a short window of time. It's a Band-Aid, right? On the flip side, we have root cause healing. This is a preventative, lifestyle approach that focuses on healing your actual vascular pathways naturally. When we lean into nutritional therapies and natural treatments, we can literally help prevent this dysfunction from happening in the first place, or we can heal it right at the core, instead of just waiting for things to break down and then masking the problem with a pill.
Section 2. The science of blood flow. Inside the endothelial vessels. To really grasp how we can heal naturally, we got to break down the science of blood flow. Now, I know that sounds complicated, but I promise it's actually a beautifully simple mechanism once you see how the body's plumbing really works. Inside the male anatomy, there are two long, rod-like structures, and they contain this intricate network of tiny, spongy blood vessels. And just like all the arteries and veins in your body, these vessels have a delicate inner lining called the endothelium. So here's how the steps play out. Step 1. Excitement triggers blood to flow rapidly into the area. Step 2. These tiny endothelial vessels absolutely must dilate, meaning they open wide to let all that blood rush in. And then step 3, as the blood fills up that spongy tissue, the vessels expand so much they actually press against the exit pathways and pinch them closed. That traps the blood inside, and boom, that creates the erection. That's the mechanics of it. But here's the million-dollar question. How do those tiny vessels actually know they're supposed to open up in step 2?
Section 3. Your body's secret molecule, the key to dilation.
See, these vessels don't just magically open on their own. They need a messenger. And that secret molecule, it's nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a super crucial molecule your body produces that literally signals your blood vessels to relax, open wide, and dilate, which allows for that massive rush of optimal blood flow. If your body is low on nitric oxide, those endothelial vessels simply cannot open properly, and the whole process just shuts down. This right here is the true root biological cause of erectile dysfunction. And you know what's crazy? Most people have no idea that even the famous conventional blue pills rely completely on this exact same nitric oxide pathway to work. They just block the breakdown of the chemicals associated with it. So think about this for a second. What would happen if you could naturally stimulate your body to produce an absolute abundance of nitric oxide every single day?
Section 4. The natural vitality recipe, boosting nitric oxide daily. Well, it turns out we can boost our nitric oxide deliciously. We can do it with a daily booster for vascular health. Think of it as a natural tonic that acts as a powerful restorative drink for your vessels. Let's break down the core ingredients of this amazing natural vitality drink. First up, we've got beetroot. Beetroot is just phenomenal for this.
Research actually looked at a group of people drinking beetroot juice and found their nitric oxide level spiked by an impressive 21% in just 45 minutes. No way, right? Next up is watermelon. Now, any fruit with a high water content is great, but watermelon is a total miracle worker here because it's exceptionally rich in an amino acid called citrulline, and citrulline directly builds nitric oxide in the body. In fact, drinking just 300 milliliters of watermelon juice over 2 weeks showed a really significant sustained increase in nitric oxide. And finally, we absolutely have to include dark leafy greens, things like cabbage, lettuce, and spinach. These guys are packed with essential dietary nitrates, which your body wonderfully converts straight into nitric oxide to help clear out and open up those blood vessels.
So, let's look at how this all comes together into one complete, delicious recipe. Here is the perfect ratio for your daily blend. You're going to want 30% watermelon and 30% beetroot to form your base. Then add 20% leafy greens for that huge nitrate boost. Now check out those last 2 slivers, 10% nuts and seeds and 10% pomegranate. Tossing in a handful of nuts, like almonds or walnuts, is super important because they provide these powerful antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, which go a long way to further protect your vascular health. And finally, that splash of pomegranate is added specifically to fight off oxidative damage in your cells. Sounds pretty tasty, doesn't it? It's literally nutritional therapy right in a glass.
And incorporating this into your daily routine honestly couldn't be simpler. Step 1, just toss these fresh ingredients into a blender every day. Step 2, drink 1 glass every single morning. Step 3, experience long-term vascular vitality. By making this a simple daily habit, you're actively preventing the degradation of your blood vessels. If you don't currently deal with erectile dysfunction, this is a fantastic way to help ensure you never need pharmaceutical help down the line. If you are dealing with it, boosting your nitric oxide naturally might actually mean you eventually won't need medication at all. And hey, if you are currently taking medication, raising this natural baseline is going to make those medicines work significantly better for you.
Section 5. Beyond just sexual health, whole body vitality.
Now this is where things get really exciting. Because your circulatory system is all completely connected, healing the endothelial vessels in one area means you're healing them everywhere. By boosting your nitric oxide with this daily recipe, you aren't just helping out your reproductive organs. You're actually actively lowering your blood pressure, simply because your blood vessels are wider and more relaxed. You are dramatically improving your overall circulation. You'll probably even notice enhanced physical performance and a whole lot more energy throughout the day, all while actively preventing future vascular issues. A healthy heart and optimal intimate health rely on the exact same biological plumbing. When you care for one, you are caring for the whole machine.
I really hope this explainer has empowered you to look at your vascular health in a whole new, totally natural way. Now, I do have a quick question for you, and I'd love for you to answer in the comments. What natural habits or morning routines have worked best for your overall energy levels and vitality? Let me know down below. I honestly love reading about what works for you all. And if you found this breakdown helpful and you want to keep learning how to heal your body naturally, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and here's to your long-term health and vitality. Oh, and it really does make you wonder, what other inevitable signs of aging are just waiting to be cured by the food sitting right in your kitchen?